In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reorder or move slides in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tidy up a slide deck, fix the flow of your presentation, and keep things organized with just a couple of simple actions. First, open Figma and head to the home area. This is where all your recent files and team projects live, so it's the easiest place to find your slide decks. If you're working across multiple teams or folders, use the search bar to quickly jump to the right file. Make sure you're opening a slides file rather than a design file, so the interface shows slide thumbnails and presentation tools. Next, click on the slide deck you want to work on to open it. Give it a moment to load, especially if it's a large deck or includes images and embeds. Once it's open, you'll see your slides listed as thumbnails in a sidebar. This sidebar is your control center for organizing the sequence of your presentation. Now, select the slide you want to move. A single click highlights it, and you'll notice a clear selection state so you know exactly which slide is active. If you want to sanity check its contents before moving it, use the main canvas to preview it at a glance. An optional tip: if you plan to move several slides together, you can select multiple thumbnails before dragging, but for now, we'll focus on moving just one. With your slide selected, click and drag it in the thumbnail panel to a new spot in the deck. As you drag, look for the insertion indicator line that shows where the slide will land. Drop it at the top to make it your new opening slide, place it lower to support a different section, or send it to the bottom if it works best as a closing summary. You're not limited to the extremes. You can drop it between any two slides to fine-tune the story arc. If your thumbnails feel too small to target precisely, zoom in on the interface or widen the sidebar so placement is easier. If you change your mind, simply drag it again or use undo to revert the move. That's all there is to it. Reordering in Figma Slides is instantaneous, collaborative, and auto-saved, so teammates will see the updated sequence right away. A quick pass to reorder can make your narrative clearer, help transitions land better, and keep your audience engaged. Thanks for watching, and now it's your turn to jump into your deck and put these moves into practice.